Welcome friends. Once again this is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa branch. So today we are going to cover some remaining points of fractions class 12. This is the second chapter of 7th class. So this is the 7th class. Okay. So get ready to learn clear the concept. Okay, so have a look closely the remaining points. Types of fractions. First, equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Okay, what is equivalent fractions? In a fraction, suppose in a fraction numerator and denominator are both multiplied or divided by the same non-zero number, then thus we obtained the new fractions are called equivalent fractions. So see example. Suppose 1 by 2 is a fraction. Now we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. First multiply. So 1 multiply by 2 suppose, then 2 also multiply by 2. This is 2 by 4. Now next, if 1 multiply by 3, then 2 multiply by 3 also becomes 3 by 6. If 1 multiply by 10, whatever the numbers it multiply, 2 multiply by 10 becomes 10 by 20. So here 1 by 2 in a fraction, we multiply 2 by its numerator and we multiply 2 by its denominator, becomes the 2 by 4. This is another fraction, but this is the equivalent. All these fractions, this and this and this are the equivalent fractions. Okay, now see I hope you will get the point. See the next number. Suppose 4 by 8. 4 by 8, then 4 is divided by 2. And 8 is divided by the same non-zero number as 2. This is 2 by 4. Once again, suppose 4 is divided by 4, non-zero number. 8 is divided by 4, same non-zero number, becomes 1 by 4. So all these fractions 4 by 8, 2 by 4, 1 by 2 are all equivalent fractions. Why? Because in numerator 2 is divided, so 4 is divided by 2. In denominator the same number as 2, 8 is divided by the same number. So this 4 is divided by the same non-zero number, so this 8 is divided by same non-zero number. So thus we obtained the new fractions are known as equivalent fractions. Next, like fractions. So what about the like fractions? Yes, fractions having same denominators but different numerators are called like fractions. Let us figure out with the help of examples. 1 by 2, 9 by 2, 7 by 2, etc. These are all examples of like fractions, because fractions having same denominator but different numerators. Fractions having same denominator but different numerators are called like fractions. Once again, fractions having same denominator but different numerators are called like fractions. Okay, next, unlike fractions. Now see, unlike fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. I repeat, fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. See example, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 9 by 10 and so on. These are all examples of unlike fractions because fractions having different denominators, so these are called unlike fractions. Okay, now next, how to convert. Method of changing unlike fractions to like fractions. See with the help of example. Okay, now suppose these are the two fractions which are unlike fractions. How to change these unlike fractions to like fractions? See, first of all, find the LCM of denominators. So here is denominators 2, so the LCM is, this is 18, 18 is LCM. Okay, now to make each fraction as denominator 18, okay, that means we are going to find the equivalent fractions. 4 by 9 can be written as this 4 multiplied by 2, this 9 multiplied by 2. Why to multiply? Because 9 to the 18 and we have to make each fractions as denominator 18. If you multiply 2 with 9 becomes 18 and we have to also multiply 2 with numerator. This is 8, this is 18. Now for this 3 by 2, this 3 by 2 can be written 3 multiplied by, what number should be multiplied by 2 becomes 18? Yes, this is 9. Here is also 9, 27 upon 18. So this two fraction, have a look. So look at closely, 8 by 18, 27 by 18. These become like fractions, but the givens are, these are given unlike fraction and we have already changed into like fractions. So this is the method that how to find unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay guys, I hope you understood. Now next point is, now friends, now next point, irreducible fraction. This is the another type of fractions. Okay, now what do we mean irreducible fraction? Yes, if a fraction, suppose a fraction a by b is called irreducible fraction if HCF of a and b is equal to 1. That means, once again, fraction a by b is called irreducible fraction if HCF of a and b, means HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. Example, suppose 3 by 2, look at, have a look. 3 by 2 is the example of irreducible fraction. All one thing is here, the fractions a by 2, fraction a by 2 is called irreducible fraction and also known as lowest terms fraction whose HCF of a and b is equal to 1. Example, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is irreducible fraction or lowest term fraction because the HCF of 3 and 5, this 3 can be written as 3 multiplied by 1, 2 can be 3 multiplied. So here is the HCF because 1 is the common factor to both the numbers. So 1 and 1. So HCF is 3 and 2 is 1. So this is irreducible fractions or the lowest term fraction. Next example, 5 by 7. So this 5 and 7. Now both are having 1 as a common factor. That means the HCF of 5 and 7 is 1. So this 5 by 7 is also irreducible fraction or lowest terms fraction. Okay. Now I hope you will get. Okay. Now next point. So friends, I hope you got the point and you please stay your homes and keep studying. Okay, if you have any doubt or confusion, so please contact me. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.